In modern homeopathy, some remedies are prepared from conventional drugs and are used to treat the after effects of those drugs. One such important remedy is cortisonum, derived from corticosteroids. It is especially useful in patients who have undergone long-term steroid treatment and later develop chronic allergies, skin disorders, or abnormal tissue growths like keloids. Now we'll see the description. The main sphere of action of cortisonum is on the immune system, skin and connective tissue. It is particularly indicated in cases where symptoms have been suppressed by prolonged steroid use leading to deeper chronic imbalance. Patients needing this remedy often presents with recurrent eczema, dermatitis, allergic conditions or asthma which tend to return after temporary relief from steroids. A key feature is the history of corticosteroid use, after which the body shows low immunity, hypersensitivity and tendency for recurrence of the symptoms. On the skin, one important condition where cortisonum can be considered is keloid, an abnormal overgrowth of scar tissue. These patients may develop thick raised hard scars after injury or surgery, especially when normal healing has been disturbed or suppressed. Thus, cortisonum helps in regulating abnormal tissue response, reducing hypersensitivity and restoring natural healing processes. Now we will see the comparison with other homeopathic remedies. In homeopathy, several remedies are used for skin disorders and abnormal scar formation, but each has its own characteristic indication. For example, Thuja occidentalis is often indicated in overgrowth of tissues, warts and conditions following vaccination or suppression. Another important remedy is graphitis, which is useful in thick unhealthy skin with cracks and slow healing. For scar-related conditions, silicia is commonly used when there is a poor healing and tendency for scar formation. Compared to these remedies, cortisonum is particularly useful when keloids or chronic skin issues develop after prolonged steroid use or suppression of natural symptoms. Now we'll see the concluding part. To conclude, cortisonum is a valuable homeopathic remedy for chronic allergies, skin diseases, asthma and abnormal scar formation like keloids, especially when there is a history of steroid suppression. When prescribed according to the totality of symptoms, it helps to restore the body's natural immunity and healing capacity, correcting deep-seated imbalances. As always, homeopathic medicine should be taken under the guidance of a qualified homeopathic physician for safe and effective treatment. Thank you.